Hi, everyone. I'm going to give just a few minutes for people to get back from breaks and lunch and other things before we announce the winners, because I think this is a fun time, and I feel honored and privileged to be able to share the awards with all of you, and want to make sure as many people as possible are around to hear who has been awarded. So I'm going to give just a few minutes before we get started. And just some general housekeeping. We will be sharing, as I announce the awards, we'll also be sharing links that all of you can share as well. So stay tuned and stay posted in the comments area. We'll be sharing. Hi, Mo. Thanks for tuning in. All right, just give it another minute and let some more people join, and then I'll kick off the awards. And for those of you who weren't part of the session earlier today, my name is Tracy Barba, and I lead stakeholder engagement and ESG at 500 Startups. And I'm really excited about how this summit has come together, and I hope that all of you have enjoyed it as well. So I'm going to start the awards by mentioning one that we did not have listed publicly, but that I feel is important to acknowledge the work of our team members who have helped put together the summit. In particular, I wanted to give a shout out to Natalie Rizzo, who is the Global Marketing and Partnership Manager. And she has really worked tirelessly on pulling this event together. She has, since the inception, really been sort of the driving force behind this. And so I wanted to make sure that before we gave any awards out, that we recognized her contributions. And if any of you are interested in partnering with 500 to help further the work that we're doing around unity and inclusion, please reach out to Natalie. But just a special shout out to her to say thank you for all of the hard work that you've done. She has been an advocate and a curator and a community builder, and is very passionate about this work. And so thank you, Natalie, so much. She's really done a lot to make this come together. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So moving along, I'm going to start with our first award. And just for context, the awards are sort of by popular vote. So the very first award that we will be giving out is the Emerging Fund Manager of the Year. Lots of great submissions, lots of fund managers that we admire. And so the winner the award goes to, I thought I was going to try to put together some kind of drum roll, but to Angel Gambino. She's the CEO of Alchemist Collective and partner at Prehype. And I wanted to share a few things that people said when they submitted Angel for the award, because I think it's always important to be able to hear some of the positive things that people are doing, and for the awardees to also hear, how they've contributed and how it's made a difference. So she hosts a weekday room on Clubhouse, and they kick off the sessions with DEI statements, and they use the sign-offs that allow the people with disabilities to follow more easily. And she makes the transcripts available to those with hearing impairments. It's just one of the many things I'm sure that were recognized by those in the community who nominated her and voted for her. Not only does she actively invest in diverse founders, but she also works really hard to give visibility to entrepreneurs and investors interested in diversity and inclusion. Her contribution to the ecosystem is exceptional. And she's a role model for aspiring founders. She is patient and kind and filled with wisdom every time she opens her mouth. She dedicates tens of thousands of hours of her time to all of us. So again, sounds like well-deserved, and congratulations to Angel for winning the award. And as I mentioned, we are sharing on Twitter. If you want to go ahead and retweet or follow and share with your communities, that would be much appreciated. The next award goes to the Venture Firm of the Year. So another drum roll. The winner is, there are many winners in this category, but this year it's Backstage Capital. And we could not agree more. We are big fans at 500 of Backstage Capital and Arlen and all of the work that she's been doing for many, many years. I love the comments that came in about why it is that she should win. Isn't it obvious? Yes, it is, I think, to many of us. Backstage Capital literally fits the definition of the Firm of the Year award. Just see a quick Google and Twitter search. Couldn't agree more, and look at who they fund. So again, really sort of big fans and supporters, and congratulations to Arlen and the team at Backstage Capital. The next award is for Founder Advocate. And again, lots of submissions. We really sort of appreciated all of the submissions that everyone gave. And the winner for the Founder Advocate is Lolita Taub. She's the co-founder and general partner of the Community Fund VC. She also was on one of the panels yesterday. A few things that people had to say about Lolita was that she spends countless hours of her time creating and sharing resources on Twitter, advising startups, and advocating for underrepresented communities. She goes above and beyond. She is the best community advocate in terms of reach, efficiency, and effectiveness. And she has a very useful newsletter, social media, and founder investor matching tool that allows for those without context to investors to connect with them. So again, thank you very much, and congratulations to Lolita. The next award is for Corporate Ally of the Year. Again, lots of work going on in this space with corporations, and it's really exciting to see. The winner is PayPal. And the reasons, some of the reasons shared, I think, were a very common theme, but I think most importantly, they were recognized for their most recent commitment to investing $530 million to support Black-owned businesses, strengthen the underrepresented minority communities, and fight for racial equity and economic equality. I know that they also made some 8 or 10 investments so far, at least that I've read about, in various new fund managers and emerging fund managers. So thank you, PayPal, for all you do, and for being a contributor to the community and helping to support the efforts of underrepresented founders and managers. The next award is for Angel Investor of the Year. So drum roll. That goes to Raj Kulasingam. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. There were lots of great things that were said about Raj, and I'll just share a few of them here. Raj is a tireless advocate for diverse founders and has leveraged his massive business network to not only syndicate investments for startups, but to actively pursue and close business opportunities for them. He has also led the largest syndicate to invest in a seed round, traveling with founders to 5 cities around the world. He is the lead architect of a pre-Series A strategy and has spent countless hours giving his strategic and legal counsel. He's also getting an investment from Raj. I really love this. Getting an investment from Raj is so much more than a check for us. He has been an angel in the truest sense of the word. So again, congratulations to all of our winners today. We're really excited to be able to recognize the contributions that everyone has made. And also, we hope that we at 500, through this work that we're doing at Unity and Inclusion and through the summit and various other content and initiatives, that we're contributing to the community as well. So again, just a quick recap: Firm of the Year, Backstage Capital, Corporate Ally of the Year, PayPal, Emerging Manager of the Year, Angel Gambino, Angel Investor of the Year, Raj, and Founder Advocate Award goes to Lolita. Again, congratulations to everyone. Thank you so much for all that you're doing. And we look forward to doing more of these awards and celebrating your contributions in the year to come.